right on down to the tail. That should be good right there. Stop. Get down here by the tail. Give him a spot here. Right in there. Or there. All right, everybody. I'd like to introduce you to Daisy. Daisy happens to be heavy. Daisy happens to be a little Albino Burmese Python from Southeast Asia. Well, I said little because she's only about 13 feet long and probably weighs about 100 pounds. But when Daisy grows up, she can grow to be well over 20 feet long and weigh several hundred pounds. And this is why I tell you not to buy baby Burmese pythons in the pet store. Not because they're mean, vicious creatures that want to attack and kill you, like you see on some of the animal programs. Most Burmese pythons are very tame, like Daisy. But here's the deal. Snakes aren't very smart. So Daisy doesn't know the difference between you or me or a tree. In fact, she probably thinks she's in a tree right now. So what do you think she would do if she thought she was falling out of that tree? She might hang on a little tighter. And that's how accidents have happened. They're very strong and powerful creatures. If you want to keep a snake for a pet, I recommend a corn snake or ball python, and leave these big giants for the experts. But I hope I've sparked your interest with these animals today, so when you're out and about and you see a beautiful animal like Daisy, you give God all the glory for it, because who created all these animals? God did. And God didn't just create everything in 6 days and then retire and forget about His creation. He still creates in us every day. You see, God never changes, does He? No, that's because God is perfect. We are not perfect. That means we get to change. God never gives up on you. So don't ever give up on yourself, and don't ever give up on God. It tells us in 1 Peter 4:10 that as each has received a gift, we should minister to one another, being good stewards of God's grace. So He's found a way for me to do ministry with my passion for reptiles. He can do the same thing with you with whatever talent He gave you. So use your talent that God gave you to further His kingdom, and you'll be amazed at the doors that God will open up for you, all right?
Thank